Hi everyone, I'm your friendly neighborhood General Aladdin, actually General Manny the movie guy, the dictator, for this week's Manny's Movie Weekend giveaway. And this weekend, it's all about the dictator, like my new beard. um, he does that, right? All right, here's the deal. One lucky winner, thank to our friends from Paramount Pictures. One lucky winner will get all these fantastic prizes like, do you want $1 million Wadian dollars? Here you go. You'll be a millionaire in Wadian money. Also, a t-shirt like this one, that pretty t-shirt, and the poster of the real General Aladdin, of course, played by Sacha Baron Cohen. Cups, water cups, perfect for summer. And of course, the fantastic beard. There you go. You can look like Aladdin for the weekend. I mean for the Halloween. So one lucky winner will win all of this prize pack, and all you have to do is very easy. All you have to do is go to my Facebook page, facebook.com/Manny the Movie Guy. Like my page and then like this post, and you will be automatically entered to our the Dictator giveaway, and one lucky winner will win next. I will pick one winner next Friday, the 25th by 5 p.m. Pacific time. Okay, and I will email you and get all the information, all that beautiful stuff. But for now, go to my Facebook, like my page, like this post, and just like me. All right? Or else you'll be dead. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful weekend and watch a Dictator. Oh, and also, by the way, find my Dictator interviews. They're all over the interweb. Bye.